I don't forget the code word. Oh, hi. Rose from Bridgewater Public Library, and welcome back. Thanks for joining me. And today when I was thinking about what I was going to do today, I realized that this is video number 25. So we've been doing this for 25 weeks, almost 6 months. So we still are finding new things every week. So, but I thought let's have a little throwback to the first video. First video I did a flip cup, and I thought today I would do a flip cup also, but today I'm doing it on a hexagon. So I thought that could be fun. And if you didn't see our first video, we'll put the link in the description box to the first video. I show you the picture, but I don't have it anymore. I probably poured over it. It wasn't the greatest, but you can tell me. You can watch the video and let me know, are we improving? Am I improving? So, yeah, so flip cup, and since I'm doing a hexagon, that's my inspiration, so I'm going with honey colors, honeybees, yellows and mustardy colors, and we'll see how this goes. So, let's go. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna layer my cup up, and like I said, my color schemes are mustardy type yellowy colors. So I'm going to use, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 colors. I'm going to try to use all the paint. And we'll start layering it up. This is a pearl, which I think is really pretty. And I added some little iridescent sparkle to the white. Excuse me. And a bright yellow. And then this is bronze, which I don't think I've ever used bronze. I don't think I have. And just keep. I know I want to end with this mustard. To me, this looks like honey. And if you hear something in the background, that's my dog barking. Probably at the mailman. Oh gosh. Yep, it's at the mailman. Actually, I'm gonna hold on. It was the mailman. So I finished filling the cup up. So here's the cup, all layered up. So I could just take the canvas, put it on, and flip it, but I think the force of flipping it myself might help with reactions. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm hoping I don't make a big mess. Okay, I'm hoping the bronze doesn't overtake the canvas. So this is one of those things you just gotta do it. Okay. Here we go. So it needs a minute or two to drain. So we're gonna let it drain a bit. So while we're waiting for it to drain, I'm not gonna forget the code word. So today's code word is sparkle. I hope you can see that. I'm still working out the kinks on this setup. So there's the code word, sparkle. The code word, in case I didn't mention, I probably forgot, is for our Get Snowed In with the library. It's our winter reading theme, and it proves that you watch the video and you get snowball points, and then the points you can win a prize. So I think we have a couple more weeks left. All right. I probably should wait longer, but I'm not gonna. Okay, here we go. And then you can lift it straight, you can drag it, swirl it. I think I'm gonna try to swirl it. I don't know, grand plans, right? So swirl it out a bit. And then there's gonna be more paint, so I'm gonna just let the paint drain out a bit. So while the paint's draining out, that's gonna spread out. There are little air bubbles. I have a little butane torch to get those out. I have a new torch, but I have any trouble maneuvering it. So see, and then the torch also helps have some reactions. So. All right, now it's a matter of tilting it. Okay. It's pretty funny when I watch the videos back. I'm always wishing I stopped sooner. It's a matter of which angle you're watching everything. So, so we're gonna start seeing some things happen. Okay, so I like this end, so I'm just gonna start going circular. Don't want to really lose the yellow on that end, this end. I'm just moving it, but I'm not having it come off the canvas yet. Another good way is to move it this way. I think it helps looking at different angles. So I'm liking this end better than this end. So I'm going to try to do that first. I've never done a hexagon. I thought that would be something fun and different. The other thing is it dries some things. There's still some cell reactions going on while the paint is drying. So you can, what's happened to me is I've had things, I think it's looking one way, and then I go back to check on it and it's drying a different way. Sometimes good, sometimes not. I just have that little. So, and then I'm gonna assess what I like. I can torch it again. which I think I'm gonna do that. You can always clean your edges up after, like, so I don't want to tilt much over here and here, so I'm just gonna get the paint that dripped and tap it on the edges, because I like that. I like the little swirl there. Let's see. It's tricky. You don't want to overstretch it either, which I tend to do. I tend to tell myself to stop. So I think I will stop here. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna this happens every time. I think there's just that little, I don't like that so much there. Then I'm gonna go. All right, now I'm gonna stop. All right, so I'm gonna bring you in closer. Hopefully that's in frame. I'll show it to you wet, and then I'll show it to you once it dries. All right, here's how it looks wet. I actually like the look of the cup. Cup's kind of cool. All right, so here's the painting wet. I don't think much is going to change as it dries, but like I've said, I've been on before. So there it is. There's my honey-inspired hexagon, and that's it. So go look at the first video from 6 months ago in August. See if I've improved. And that's it for today. Hope you have a great day. Peace, everybody. Here's the painting dried. It did change up. You can see the paint started to split and crack, but I still like it. And once you put varnish or resin or something over it, it won't be as noticeable. But there's the painting. Have a great day.